from A&R Tire, talking about how to buy tires.
When driving, pull over immediately before you start damaging your rims. Most cars do not have run flat tires. The new run flats give you about 50-60 miles at zero pressure. Most cars today have tire pressure monitoring systems that we're seeing on vehicles, but for a vehicle that's got a flat, pull over immediately. You can damage that tire and to where it cannot be repaired in as little as 100 yards. Okay, when you're talking about tire safety and preventing accidents with tires, again, Rubber Manufacturers Association has determined that the new tires should go on the rear when replacing a pair only. That would prevent an oversteer situation and that you may possibly lose control if it were just on the new ones were on the front. It goes for front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive vehicles. The other thing is, in today's market, we have tire pressure monitoring systems. So when you see that low air, get it pulled over, because you will have a problem if you continue to ignore it. And then the other things today is the run flat products. The run flat products are changing the industry overnight. Much more, and when you're talking about safety, it's a much more safe product. Again, it allows you the ability to let you know you have no air in the tire. Your handling characteristics will be about the same. But what's going to happen is you've got 40, 50, 60 miles at 50 miles an hour to get into that service station without pulling over. The biggest safety issue is pulling over on the side of the road and changing out your tire. That's one of the most unsafe conditions you can possibly have today. So the run flat take care of that problem. And if you ever need tires, come see us at A&R Tire. I'm Rick, I'm the owner. We've been here 40 years.